In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix TrustWallet not showing balance. If your tokens aren't appearing in TrustWallet, don't worry. This usually comes down to token visibility, network selection, or a quick refresh. I'll walk you through a clear process to get your balance showing properly, and I'll add helpful context along the way so you know why each action matters. Start by opening TrustWallet and tapping the toggle icon in the top right corner of the main wallet screen. This is the token manager. It controls which assets are visible on your home list. If a token isn't toggled on here, it won't display on your balance page even if it's in your wallet. Use the search bar to look for your token by name or symbol. Be precise because many tokens share similar names. When you find the correct one, toggle it on so it appears on your wallet home screen. If you see multiple versions, choose the one that matches the token's official chain and details. Make sure the network matches the token you actually hold. Some tokens exist on several networks like Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, or others, and the wrong network won't show your balance. In the token manager, confirm that the network listed for the token is the one you used when receiving the funds. If you still don't see it in search, tap Add Custom Token. First, set the correct network at the top, then paste the token's contract address. When the address is valid for that network, the name, symbol, and decimals usually fill in automatically. Save it, and the token will be added to your list. Only use a trusted official contract address to avoid counterfeit tokens. Double check the network again after adding the token. If your funds arrived on a different chain than the one you selected, the balance won't appear. Matching the chain used for the deposit with the chain set for the token in TrustWallet is essential. Refresh the app to sync your balances. On the wallet screen, pull down to refresh. If the balance still doesn't update, fully close TrustWallet and reopen it. This forces a fresh connection to the blockchain and often resolves display delays. Finally, check for service outages and make sure your app is up to date. If there's temporary network congestion or a provider issue, balances may lag. Updating TrustWallet from your app store ensures you have the latest fixes and token support. Also, confirm you have a stable internet connection. That's it. Follow these steps and your token balance should display correctly. And as a safety reminder, never share your recovery phrase or private keys with anyone.